Morning, guys. Well, it's been sprinkling all morning. A sound that I have not heard on the roof of my Jeep for at least 2 months. Cloud coverage and like the mountains and stuff behind me. There's big mountains right here. Can't see them at all. Right, I'm about to get a $3 shower. Apparently there's no time limit here, but there's only one shower, so that's the catch. Someone starts knocking on the door and being real impatient, then I gotta get my butt out of here. Just got done with my shower. I had to come over and get some water. Let me show you how this water thing works. All right, so here's the water spigot. Basically just turn it and it spits out like that. I'm heading down from Mount Whitney. Gonna go and get some gas before I go through Death Valley. Death Valley has some of the highest recorded temperatures on Earth. Also, the lowest point in America is in Death Valley. I'm going from 8,000 feet to 200 below sea level. On the trip so far, I've gone just over 7,000 miles. I've been driving a total of 201 hours. So something I just wanted to bring up, I just want to be real with you guys, you know, and I want you guys to see everything that comes along with road tripping and being gone for this long and being alone. I've just been feeling a lot more lonely. You know, I want someone to talk with, to experience these things with, to connect with. There are so many advantages of being alone on this trip. If I'm going hiking, I don't have to worry about keeping up with someone or holding them back or anything. If I'm feeling lazy, then I can go and just have a lazy day. If I'm feeling adventurous, then I can go and, you know, have an adventurous day. And then I also meet a lot more people on the road being alone as well. Santiago, the guy that I met at Dome Rock, you know, he had told me, don't idolize a significant other. Don't let that be, you know, what you search. Seek the Lord. And from there, all things will come. Definitely exploring faith a lot more, you know, developing a relationship with Christ and exploring Christianity a lot more. It's something that I'm fairly new to. I'm still learning a lot about myself every day. Also, I don't want to ignore when I start to feel something. I believe that we are having a certain feeling because we are meant to learn or grow, or there's a lesson in there from that feeling. Push those feelings out of your life, even if it is a negative feeling, that's something that you're really missing out on, and you're really even taking 2 steps back. You know, it's good to work on those things, use them as opportunities. So I've just been reflecting on life alone on the world lately. Just a couple thoughts I wanted to share with you guys. About 3 miles left to go on this road before I turn into the canyon. The canyon is going to be off to the right, and I'm basically going in between 2 mountain chains on the right there. Wow, I'm going 15 miles an hour, and this is a very rough road. Nice views. Just kind of a crazy road. Damn it. Well, it turns out the road doesn't go this way. It's a one-way. And I entered on the wrong freaking side. There's a hiking trail back there. Brings you up into canyons that look like this. But I'm gonna go look at the map a little bit more and see if it's something that I want to go back to the start of this road. And this is gonna be a friggin' sweet road. Yeah, we're gonna try to make this work. I'm gonna go look at a map. So it's not every now and then that I am out here. You know, this may be a once in a lifetime thing that I am here right now, but the condition of this road and going through that canyon, a breakdown could probably happen a lot easier on a road like this. Yeah, I'm just not gonna be able to do it today. Just in a visitor center here, in the museum section. I ended up talking to someone, one of the rangers, and they gave me a little better advice. So this is a cool little display in the visitor center. I made a quick stop off the side of the road. Mesquite Dunes, I'm in some sand dunes. This Minnesota boy is getting some heat right now. It's about 100 degrees out here. Woo! It's just like at the beach. All right, so my plan is to go into a little town in Nevada called Beatty. It is the beginning of Titus Canyon Road. And the gas there is $2.99. I'll spend the night up there since it's higher elevation and the temperature will be great. I found a Denny's down the road from the gas station, so I am going to Denny's. Woohoo! This is inside a casino. It smells like cigarettes. Well, I just found my campsite thanks to the iOverlander app again. That app has really helped me out through a lot of this trip, finding great free campsites. I am on BLM land right outside of Beatty. Nice little breeze. It's a beautiful area. I'm loving the clouds in the sky right now. I just saw some lightning. Oh, there it is. Up in that cloud there.